Harris County has been slapped with a federal lawsuit. It all involves the sexual assault of a juvenile behind bars. Isaiah Carey joins us now with the very latest. Isaiah?
Don, they call him a predator behind bars. Now a former Harris County detention officer is being sued along with the county for going too far with a 15-year-old detainee. We're concealing this father's identity and calling him Bob to protect his daughter.
She didn't even try to kill herself down there. But the other facility that they got in now, cut her wrist, got a long scar on her arm and everything, man.
Bob says his 15-year-old daughter attempted suicide 2 weeks ago after enduring what he calls a nightmare. It allegedly happened here at the Harris County Juvenile Facility in downtown Houston.
The county effectively had a predator roaming around the juvenile detention facility.
Investigators back in October arrested 28-year-old Robert Robinson, a Harris County juvenile detention officer. He was accused of having a sexual relationship with a 15-year-old juvenile detainee back in May. That teen is Bob's daughter.
I just couldn't believe that they would let something like that go on down. It devastated me.
That's why Bob and his wife reached out to the Stern Law Group. They filed a $2 million federal lawsuit against Robinson and Harris County. The attorneys want to know how a male guard was able to be alone with a 15-year-old female in her cell. The federal filing alleges those visits happened 3 times a week before Robinson allegedly struck.
That the policies in the system failed here. Typically, you would not have a male guard in a female section, and vice versa.
But somehow, according to the suit, Robinson was able to lure the young girl in with gifts like candy and take advantage of her at his leisure.
She's groomed over a period of time without anyone suspecting that this was going on, guessing that this was going on, as far as we knew. That allowed this to go on.
Bob's daughter has since been moved away from the facility to another juvie lockup to serve out the remainder of her 18 months. However, he says that hasn't stopped the 15-year-old from attempting to take her own life. That's why this father in silhouette wants justice.
It never should have happened. Never should have happened.
Now, we've reached out to the spokesperson at the Harris County Juvenile Probation Department, Kendall Mayfield, but so far we have not heard a response to this lawsuit.